Home means to me, basically, home is my immediate environment, wherever that is. Any space that I am regularly at, it becomes my home, and I like to make any space that I go to my home. The place where the photos of mine are all being taken, I've spent quite a few nights in there, and most of the artwork that's featured on the walls is mine. This is my way of making my space, and it's somewhere where I feel like home.